Well, hello, good morning, and welcome to Sea Day 3, our final day aboard the Carnival celebration.
Where are we going?
To Cat in the Hat.
Dr. Seuss's green eggs and ham breakfast.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Woohoo!
So this area has all the ship coins from all the ships, starting from the beginning to now. They even have the Jubilee, which technically isn't done yet, but 50 years of fun. Carnival. Hashtag choose fun. Well, we made it here to Dr. Seuss's Green Eggs and Ham Breakfast with Cat in the Hat and friends. We are super excited. Like I said earlier, we've never done this before. Look at how the tables are dressed. Everyone is here having a great time. I'm going to throw the menu up right here just so you can see. Supposedly the green eggs are actually green, so I'm going to have some green eggs and ham, and then probably some pancakes. Super excited to see what this is all about. So they are going to get us coffee. Remember, bring your own creamer if you like that frou-frou. Ra-ta-ta-ta. You get that reference? I like my coffee blonde and sweet, so gotta bring your own creamer. Hi, Robert is the name? Yes. Can I go ahead and get the green eggs and ham? Yes. And then can I also do the Trufella tree pancakes?
Yes.
And then can I also have a side of bacon?
Bacon?
Yes. And that'll be it. Thank you.
Look at these are our friends! Yeah!
Yay, good job. Oh. 14202? Yes, ma'am.
All together.
Bye-bye, look right here.
One more.
So thing 1 and thing 2 just came by, and they're the cantankerous twins. They're just fooling and goofing. We're sitting here talking about what we ordered, etc. You know, Madison got her cereal. We got a parfait here, and I was saying, you know, Katie was saying to Madison that she's got eggs coming, and I said, and they'll be green. And Katie said, no, she got the omelet, so they're not going to be green unless you order the green eggs and ham. And I said, well, I ordered the green eggs and ham, so they should be green. And then Grandma over here, quick wits, and says, and if they aren't, we'll just tell them they are. Which is a colorblind joke because I'm colorblind. So my mother-in-law just roasted me publicly at Dr. Seuss's and Cat in the Hat's Green Eggs and Ham Breakfast aboard the Carnival celebration. And I'm a little hurt, a little sad. I might cry. I'm gonna do that off screen. 14202. All right, stand next to him. We're going to take a picture. Eyes. Good job. Green eggs and ham was delicious. Great time, lots of fun. They did a whole parade and everything. We are now heading to the splash pad. So it'll probably be an absolute cluster, but we're gonna switch over to a waterproof camera and we'll see what we can get into.
The splash pad wiped us out. We went back to the room and Madison just passed out. She went down that slide no less than 100 times. So now we are actually heading up after we eat to Bolt, and I'm going to ride the roller coaster at sea. They make it pretty easy. You can book your time through the Carnival Hub app, and you do it in a 30-minute slot, and you just have to show up anytime within that 30-minute window, and it will be your turn to ride. So we're gonna head on up, and we're gonna check out the roller coaster at sea. That was a rush. Super scary. It's interesting because you actually have control of the throttle and you also have a boost option, so you're able to control how fast or slow that you go. The boost only lasts for 15 seconds though, so you have to choose wisely when you want to boost. Or if you're like me, you get scared and just want to throw down the throttle so you don't feel like you're going to fly off the side of the ship. But that's why you need somebody like Rob to keep the throttle on the entire time and keep it going fast. Definitely scary, great for adrenaline junkies, but a really, really quick ride. So it cost $15 to ride the actual ride, and it lasted maybe 30 seconds. So if you're an adrenaline junkie, definitely recommend it. It was fun, it was different, and a fun, unique experience.
All right, so we are here at the Diamond and Platinum reunion party. Basically, now that we're Platinum, we get invited to this exclusive party. They basically go over like the history of Carnival, and maybe they'll give us some details about how many Platinums and how many Diamonds are on this ship, etc. So just a nice little thing that Carnival does. Free drinks. So it's a nice little give back.
Welcome, this is your VIFP party. Of course, we have this every week. It is our celebration for you and your loyalty to our Platinum and Diamond guests. First up, by shouting and raising of noise. Where's all my Platinums out there today, Platinums? Nice. my diamonds? All right, if you have a different colored card, please get out. You shouldn't be here. We're all family here. And last but by no means least, please show your love for the master of the vessel, your captain and ours. It's Captain Vincenzo Alcaraz.
Good evening, welcome. Ready to go home? Huh? We are never ready to go home. We have a talent, an artist that has entertained you for the entire week. He deserves a big round of applause. Our cruise director, Chris.
Yes, for the most days on board, folks, this is a big number. This is great. With a total of 768 days. All the way from the housekeeping department. It's not. But he should get a name badge. It's pretty special. Do we have a Miss Shirley Cato or Cato here? Shirley! It's you, Shirley! Good night and God bless. Please give it up one more time for the lovely sounds of Reggie!
Well, we have made it to the final dinner. Wah, wah. Aboard the Carnival celebration. Tonight, Rare Finds, frog legs. Gonna have a whole table full of those, for sure. Definitely a heavy appetizer night. The mains, kind of hit and miss. They have some good stuff. The penne mariscos, I've gotten that before. It's like a seafood pasta dish. Pretty good. So I'll probably get that. It's kind of my go-to. But tons of appetizers here that are really, really good. Plus the frog legs, man, you can't go wrong. One of those things that I feel like some of the other cruise lines kind of miss opportunities is having the rare finds, things that you want to try but you wouldn't want to pay for it. Ox tongue, frog legs, escargot, things like that. I think that that's very important to Carnival's brand, is having that, and I really hope they don't get rid of it. And I would wish other cruise lines adopted that. So, just a little anecdote there from me. But, all right, let's see what we can order.
Thank you. Yes, please.
Name's Robert.
Thank you, Robert. Mr. Bob.
Can I do the marinated chicken tenders,
Okay.
the shrimp cocktail,
Okay.
the Caesar salad,
Okay.
the steak and ale cheddar soup,
Okay.
4 orders of frog legs, that's 4
4 frog legs.
frog legs. And then can I do the penne mariscos
Okay.
and the baked Alaska?
Thank you, Oscar.
Yep.
Thank you, Bob.
Thank you. Well, guys, dinner was delicious. We went back, hung out at Grandma and Grandpa's for a little bit, and then came back here and packed. Sadly, it is time for us to go.
We're so sad. I feel like this cruise just started and I could easily stay another week.
Absolutely. Like Katie's parents.
Yes.
At least one more week.
Yes. One more week.
Yeah, one
One
more
more
week.
week.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, except some of us have to go back to work.
Yeah. Who here has
Not
to do
me,
that?
not me. Not me. Madison's got to go back to work.
Yeah.
So this will wrap up our week aboard the Carnival celebration. Tomorrow we're getting off the ship pretty early because we are platinum now. We get priority debarkation. So we checked our bags because with her it's just easier for us to pick up our bags, and it's still priority. So I think it'll come out to be a good timing. So we got the 6.5 hour drive back to Cedar Key tomorrow.
And I have to work on Monday, so...
Yeah, so you'll probably see us getting off the gangway, crying a little bit, shedding a tear or two. Maybe we'll get to wave goodbye to Grandma and Grandpa in the morning. And then we hit the road, or that long drive home.
Ooh.
Thank you for joining us here today and where tomorrow on this adventure on the Carnival celebration. If you like the cruising videos that we bring, or the camping videos, or just the entertainment that we try to provide, or the little informative bits that we throw into our videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really does help us out way more than you think it does. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. I answer every single comment as fast as I possibly can. So If you have any questions about this type of ship or any of the other Carnival ships, or really any sort of cruising or camping questions in general, we'd love to chat with y'all. So you can find us here on YouTube. You can find us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all the above. Here today, where tomorrow. Well, I'm Rob.
I'm Katie.
And that's somebody with me.
From Here Today.
Where tomorrow?
And we'll see you
There.